Good morning po. Andito kami ngayon dito sa Infinite Memorial Cemetery, Solemnity Cemetery. Ito ang libingan ng aking ama, Celestino T. Alco Sr., June 23, 1927, August 12, 2011. Si Ate Anet Maria Antonieta G. Alcos, January 17, 1964, September 30, 2012, at si Nanay Nila Alcos, September 26, 1930, namatay October 30, 2006. Ang aking Mercedes-Benz. Ito hindi pa na-develop to.